amazing dance.
All right, guys, we are here today with
Eli.
And Eli has challenged me a game of skate. Are we playing skate or scoot?
Skate. It's shorter.
Okay, wait, so the scoot, it's longer. S-C-O-O-T.
It's 5 and 6.
S-K-A-T-E.
Oh, no, it's 5 and 5.
Okay, we're gonna play skate or scoot, whichever one you like. Okay, so I think we should try first just on Flatground.
Yeah, that's probably the best flat spot up there.
You wanna go up there?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Let's Rochambeau, then we'll go up there. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You ready?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Ooh, got him. First try. Okay, the tricky thing about being on a skateboard versus a scooter is how do you
translate it?
How do you translate the tricks? I'm gonna start it out easy with the easy translation tricks. So you think this is the best flat?
It's
Slanted.
the flattest spot.
All right, ollie. Too easy for him, okay. So I think I know what this would translate to, but I wanna see what he's gonna say. You ready?
Is that a heel flip or kick flip?
Kick flip. So what do you think that translates to?
Tail whip.
Okay,
And then a heel flip would be heel whip.
I was thinking bar spin. It's interesting, if we go this way, is it bars? And then this way is the base?
We could do, kick flip is deck, and then like shove it is bar.
Okay, deal.
Tail whip.
Yeah. First try. This kid's got everything. Okay, so I like that. That was a kick flip variation. So now let's see what happens with this. You ready? Wow, varial flip. So that was a board, that was spin both ways. This and this.
Probably like a tail whip 180.
Yeah.
Or a down whip, probably.
Whatever you think, whatever you think.
I suck at these, but
I don't know what a down whip is. What the heck?
you whip the opposite. You whip the opposite way you spin.
Okay, why did he say he sucked at it and then did it perfectly?
Cause I haven't done it flat.
Okay, right here for Gabe Cruz.
I have no idea what I should do.
Me neither. Maybe just, I don't know. Maybe just do something, whatever, make it up. It's a shove it revert.
So we agreed shove it was bar spin?
Yeah.
So bar 180 fakie?
I guess. That seems a lot harder than what I did.
I'm definitely gonna fall.
So my thing that I did is really easy. So I think the thing that you translate it to should be quite easy.
I'll do Manny lightsaber.
Manny lightsaber
it is.
It's
pretty easy, but.
I mean, the last time I Manny lightsabered. Did you get it?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I think that was the perfect translation of that trick. Leave it in the comments below. All right, right here. Fakie big spin. That's what it is on a skateboard. On a scooter, could be anything.
I have no idea. I'll do like bar flat.
Bar flat, okay, good, I like it. Whoa! Okay, he's got him. I don't want to lose my go, but I kind of want to give him a turn and see what happens. I'm gonna try the world's hardest skateboard trick in an attempt to see if I will miss. Okay, you ready?
What are you doing?
The hardest trick I can do, or most of the time cannot do. Dang it, I knew it.
Is that a heel flip?
It was.
Heel flip would be heel whip.
Okay, it's your turn now though. You're on offense. Please take it easy on me, okay? I'm old.
Oh, manual from the end of this circle to the beginning of that.
I like where you're going with this.
He's good. Manuals are not my specialty.
Got him! The one thing he shouldn't have said. Manuals are not my specialty. That makes one of us.
It's too easy.
You're up. Oh, bro.
S.
That's an S. I don't want to play dirty, but.
Come on.
I can't even nose manual. I can't even nose manual. I've never nose manuals.
Okay, that was ridiculously hard.
Worst.
Okay, SK.
I'm gonna get you back in my next set.
I know you will, and I'm gonna give you a next set because I'm doing the hardest trick in skateboarding.
That's what I was gonna do.
Landed it. Heel flip. Oh, got him!
Rebate.
Give yourself time.
I'll
give you a rebate on that.
I'm using my rebate. Are you playing with rebates or
breathe? Breathe.
It's pretty easy.
Okay, well played. Okay, I like that. So you got SK, I got nothing.
Yeah.
Okay, we're not using obstacles. No obstacles. I was thinking about doing a hippie jump, which has just been wrong.
That's impossible.
That's why I wanted to do it. Let's try this. Of course, your turn. Remember you said when you got onto offense, you were gonna let me have it.
No, the trick I was gonna do was heel whip. So
So heel flip.
Yeah.
I get it. Well, it's not too late.
Is there any variation you could do of a lightsaber? Like a
a
Manny revert?
Do whatever you can, and I'll figure out the variation. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, now
like this.
show me what occurred there. So
I went like this, manual, and then.
Oh, I get it. Why it's a lightsaber, because you're holding it
Yeah.
like a lightsaber. Okay, I was thinking something with my hands, like some kind of like a flip the board up hand grab, boneless probably. It's probably okay. I got it. This is the equivalent, boneless 180.
Oh yeah, boneless. Yeah, that equivalents it.
Boom! You're still up.
What
Don't let me down easy.
would be the equivalent of a fakie?
Go. What's your fakie?
Circle, circle.
That was disgustingly impressive. Not gonna lie. I thought for sure he was gonna fall 30 times. I think it would be like 180 switch and then maybe switch 180 at the end. Something like that?
Yeah.
Although what you did seemed really hard and what I did was
No,
really...
it's easy.
So, okay, we're gonna do 180 switch manual then. That's probably about the equivalent of the difficulty level. Okay, I'm taking an S. S to SK.
Do you know what a no foot can is?
A no foot can.
It's like a can, but no feet.
No?
Like this?
Wow, that's the trick.
Yeah.
Okay, I like that. I like that a lot. What is the equivalent of that?
Ollie no footer?
Oh, I know.
Oh yeah.
Ollie North, baby! Leave it in the comments below if that's a good equivalent.
I'll do a no foot magnet.
Okay, I'm ready.
So basically, it's a magnet, except the no foot at the beginning. like
Okay,
this.
I love this. This is like anything counts skate versus scoot
So you
edition.
basically go like this. Oh, I messed it up.
How do I do that? What do I do?
I messed it up. I'll just do a plain magnet. Oh, that was clean.
I think that was exactly it. Literal translation.
What do you think that's called?
Ollie no foot.
Do you know? Maybe like a fakey curve out like that?
Yeah, get it. Okay. I got the exact equivalent of that. So you're riding regular, right?
Yeah. Oh, that's basically the exact same thing.
Yeah. Okay, do another one. This is fun.
What could I do?
I'm learning everything about scooter culture.
I can do this. It's the easiest trick ever.
Wow. What's the equivalent of that, Derek?
I have no idea.
Okay, wait, I think I got it. Right?
Yeah. Or you can go like this.
He's like, actually, no, I'm not impressed. Okay.
Basically a hippie jump over nothing.
Yeah, true. Okay, go.
Fakey manual, I've never done it, but
Okay, I'm ready.
ah,
Yeah, that's
I hit
hard.
the brake.
Okay.
I failed it, you're set.
Okay, I want to see what this will be for you.
Fakey tail,
You think? But the fakie tail up's like really hard, no?
it's semi hard.
Oh wait, oh you got
Wait,
it.
I'll try it.
You got it. Oh, you had that. Okay, I want to see that. That's SKA.
Yeah. Shove its bar.
Yeah. Okay, that was a land. 100% a land. Normally in skateboarding we don't do this, but I'm gonna do it. Like normally we don't do that in a game of skate because there's like a unspoken rule, no feet on the ground.
Maybe
But what
like
could that
this?
be? Yep, count it. First try. All right, what should I do, guys? We already did a kickflip, but you gave me a good idea. Well done. You ready?
Yes. Trey? What could Trey be? I'll heel whip it to make it harder.
Okay, great. Heel whip it for make it harder. Nice.
Sketchy, but I'll count it.
Sketchy because of toe drag?
Yeah.
Is toe drag a thing in scoot?
Yeah.
Okay. Regular, right? Switch. What would that be?
That would be a switch tail whip. I can only do that off ramps, but I'll try it. I ride reg, goofy.
Oh, right. I just realized. Yeah, you have regular, switch. So you do have switch.
That's regular for me.
Okay, so
We
regular.
have regular and goofy.
And then what do you call?
Goofy.
Is that what you call it though? But let's say your natural stance is left foot forward. Now,
Yeah, I ride left foot forward.
now turn your feet. What do you call that?
Switch or goofy.
Switch or goofy?
Yeah. Like goofy is just the general
So,
kind of.
so is there such a thing in scootering that would be like, oh, switch backflip,
Like this.
where he did it that way?
Yeah.
Or switch tail whip?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. What are your letters?
SKAT.
T?
Yeah,
His last letter, bro. The last trick has 2 chances.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
You're up. You're up.
What
Don't take it easy on me.
can I do, guys?
Backwards talk to Howard.
No.
360.
No, I suck at it.
Yeah, 360. That was sick. Count it or no?
Little sketch, but I'll count it.
I mean, I would even take a letter on that if you want, because it was really what it is. It's a 180 revert. You didn't 180 revert. You did a 360.
I'll be the judge.
Yeah, judge it. Did you see it?
Letter or no letter?
We're the judges.
Letter or no letter?
You can do it again.
Okay, I'll redo.
Dom, do you count that as a 3 or no?
Yeah.
Amazing dance.
Stop taking it easy on me.
Backwards talk to Howard. It's the only thing you can do.
So basically, you say you fakie, and you say learn how to talk backwards while you're going backwards. So backwards talk to Howard.
Huh?
Backwards talk to Howard. Just go like this.
Okay, that seemed like the, I don't even understand what just occurred.
You can just fakie.
So I'm gonna ride fakie.
That's way harder than what I did, but
Okay, we count it.
I'll count it.
But there was something where he said the words backwards.
Switch, 1 foot ollie.
That's a good one. Switch 1 foot ollie. Okay, that's a hard one. I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, switch 1 foot probably will get me a letter. I accidentally did a dolphin flip. Okay, letter.
Switch magnet, so basically a switch like no foot ollie.
This could be the greatest comeback since the 1984 Denver Broncos. So do that switch.
Yeah.
Wait, didn't we just decide that it was just this?
I thought we decided that was the no foot ollie. Yeah.
That was pretty good.
Let's see. I could try Manny from that line to that line, the second one.
Great idea. I'm not really
You're
good
probably
at
gonna
manuals.
cook me
I don't
now.
do them much.
Yeah, you're great at manuals. You do them all the time. Almost got it.
It's hard to explain how much harder a manual is on a scooter than a skateboard. I think, you know, you only have 2 wheels available at all times anyways, and I have 4. So I'm going from 4 to 2, you're going from 2 to 1. What's this, Eli? What's this? Dang, that was a good one too.
Oh. That'd
Kickflip,
probably be,
body varial.
that'd be tail whip. I forget what it's called, but it's tail whip. I ride like this, it'd be tail whip.
Yeah, tail whip, body varial. That's perfect.
Ah,
You got 1 more try, Eli.
I'm gonna sell.
This is the game. What?
I'm surprised I got that.
I'm surprised too. I thought 100% I had you. And then nope, you just destroyed it. That was really sick. I only got 1 trick left in my whole arsenal of entire skateboard career. Here we go. What could it be? Could be anything.
What was that?
A tray flip revert.
I have no idea what that could be.
Could be a tail whip bar spin in separate jumps maybe.
Oh yeah, I'll try.
Yeah, I would give it to him. Okay, I got nothing left. except for maybe this. Nope, the no comply big heel is not working. You're on offense.
I could switch manual from one line to the other.
Good idea. Every time.
Manuals are so annoying.
I agree. Okay, I got you. This is kill shot.
Was that double?
Double, double, toil, trouble.
What could that be?
Double tail whip.
Flat?
Flat.
I've never done that.
Well then,
I'm gonna.
you got 2
cooked.
tries, Eli. 2
I'm cooked.
tries.
Either way, I'm cooked. Should I double heel instead?
Yeah. Oh, sick. What do you mean you don't got that? You literally almost landed it.
Yeah, but I've never ever landed it.
Okay.
That was not close for a scooter.
There's almost, you know, there's a day for everything.
Yeah, I'm not landing it.
No?
Here we go.
Okay. Well, you do have one more try. Oh! Okay, good game. Well played. All right, that was fun.
I sold.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.
Bye.
Bye.